to The Health Affair, a bite sized podcast where we talk about what's healthy, what's unhealthy, and everything in between. Remember, this is the only guilt free affair that you must end up having. And I'm your host, Shweta. What is up, people? I hope you all are doing well, and thank you for being so patient with me. This episode is going to be extremely candid than the previous ones, as we're going to talk about something that's life changing and yet so underrated. Gratitude. A 9 lettered word that holds so much of meaning. We often forget how privileged we are and tend to keep looking at the negatives in our life. Practicing gratitude in our daily lives gives us an opportunity to reflect on everything that's good and great and makes us see the blessings in disguise. I'm not gonna elaborate about how you should be doing it. I'm just gonna do it right here, right now. So, let me seize this moment to express how thankful I am to every listener of this podcast, to each one of you who's been following us on our social media platforms. Thank you for sharing the podcast link on your stories with your friends and family. And I'm very grateful for every personal text and DM of acknowledgement and appreciation. You have no idea what it means to me. That one message encouraged me to do better each day. Thank you to every critic who took the time to convey his or her feedback. Nothing builds me up like constructive criticism, and I'd surely try to implement all of those in the upcoming seasons and make it better and better. And as it is the season finale, yes, you heard that right. It is the last episode for season 1, and as of now, there's no date finalized for the second season. The reason why I'm wrapping up this season earlier than intended is because I have other stuff coming up, and doing episodes twice a week is quite rigid right now. Also, to those who think I'm trying to be a YouTuber or an influencer, podcasting is a fun side project for me and not my mainstream hustle. And for those who don't know what's my mainstream, I'm a physiotherapist, and due to the current COVID-19 scenario, I'm also doing online consultations. If there's anyone who needs help, you can get in touch with me by dropping a mail at thehealthaffair101@gmail.com. Also, I want to thank all the enthusiasts who sent me questions for QOTD of season 1. Loved answering each one of those. Also, I might have missed a couple of questions that I'd be definitely answering in the coming episodes. So yeah, this is not the end. I'd still be making random episodes and posting new stuff, just not twice a week hereafter. I just want to ease into the whole process of doing this. If you want me to make content regarding anything specific or address an important issue or even collaborate, I'm open to new ideas, and please feel free to drop a text on any of the social media handles. All the details are given in the description below. And I'd also be experimenting a little with other languages like Hindi and Marathi. Can't wait to put out the multilingual episodes! Well. I cannot wrap up the season without making a few special mentions. Thank you, Ashish, for setting a non-technical person up on technical grounds. Thank you, Priya, for jumping in mid-season and fixing my grammar. A big thank you to all of those who believed in me, be it my mom, dad, my siblings, all my friends and well-wishers. I'm sorry I'm not mentioning any names. There are just so many people, and I fear I might miss out on quite a lot, and you all have been super supportive. And last but not the least, the one who's always had my back, Shoaib. Thank you for handling the creative visuals for our Instagram feed and for always pushing me to take the first step. I also want to thank those people who made me feel bad about doing it, for putting me down. Now I know what I don't want to focus on. And to sum it up, each one of us is battling through hard times today. We need kindness more than ever before. Please be kind to every being around you. And if there's anybody who needs a listening ear or support, feel free to drop a text on the Instagram handle thehealthaffair.in. Okay, so I guess that's how we show gratitude, and that's it for today. I'll be coming soon with a fresh and hot, out of the oven episode. Until then, adios! लाइफ में जितना इम्पोर्टेंट क्या चाहिए ये फिगर आउट करना है, उससे कई ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट क्या नहीं चाहिए ये पता होना है. Okay, I think I'm bad at this. Ooh. Also, to those who think I'm trying to be a YouTuber or an influencer, damn it!